You're breathing right now. But if you're over 40, most people miss something. There's a good chance your lungs and sinuses are slowly clogging up and you don't even realize it. This doesn't happen overnight. It builds slowly, day after day, from what you eat and how you live. In a moment, I will explain the pattern most people misses. Because it's not just congestion. What you're really dealing with is buildup, thick mucus, inflammation, and daily habits that quietly make it worse. That's why your breathing feels heavier over time. Not suddenly, but gradually. Stick around and keep watching this video to the end, because the mechanism is simpler than you think. In a moment, you'll see why that matters more than it actually sounds. But if this is already making sense, take a second to click the like button so more people can actually see this video. Now here's where it gets frustrating. Most people are doing things every day that make this worse. In 10 seconds, you'll see the usual suspects. The usual suspects are cold drinks, sugar, dehydration, late-night eating, and sitting for long periods without movement. Now, it's not just about what you're doing, but it's also about what you're not doing. This next part connects the dots. Not moving enough, not hydrating enough, and not supporting your body properly. That's what makes it keep coming back. Let's now take a look inside the body to see how. Your body is designed to clear itself naturally. It's remarkable. Every breath brings in oxygen while your system filters and expels waste. This quiet cleaning keeps you clear until something subtle slows it down. This is what changes first. When your system slows down, mucus thickens. Healthy mucus is thin and mobile. Thick mucus clings. That single shift starts a chain reaction. Next, your airways narrow. Inflamed tissues constrict the passages air needs. Now the effort rises and the payoff drops. Oxygen flow becomes less efficient. Less oxygen reaches your cells. Fatigue and fog follow. Your body uses tiny structures called cilia to move mucus out naturally. They beat like a gentle escalator. But when they slow down, they become overwhelmed. Mucus begins to sit and build up. That's when you feel pressure in your face, tightness in your chest, and constant throat clearing. If this sounds familiar, then the next minute will help, because I will explain the gentle fix, not a harsh one. Here's the part most people never hear about. So in 30 seconds, you'll get the blend that works. You don't need something aggressive. You need something that works with your body. I'll share the simple blend and why it helps. When it comes to feeling clear and open, simple often wins. There's a gentle infusion you can prepare in minutes. First, the base, because temperature matters. It starts with warm water. To this, add the fiery aromatic power of fresh ginger. Then the subtle, earthy essence of thyme. That's it, 3 ingredients in quiet harmony. What makes it so effective isn't force, it's rhythm. It's how gentle and consistent it is. No shocks to your system. You're not forcing your body to do something unnatural. You're supporting it, giving it the tools it needs to do its job more efficiently. In a moment, here's what each one actually does. If you're still here, you'll like this part. First, the ginger. a circulatory stimulant that helps loosen thick mucus. By warming from within, it supports flow and clearance. Next, the thyme, a respiratory support that helps break down buildup. Its natural compounds relax airways and encourage clearing. And finally, heat itself, often overlooked. The warmth helps everything move, soothes tissues, and deepens infusion. Together, they create a supportive synergy, one gentle sip at a time. Next, I will explain how you should feel. Thanks for sticking around. Here's the part many wait for. Within minutes, you may start to feel it. Your breathing gets lighter. Your chest begins to open. And that heavy pressure starts to ease. I'm curious, which one bothers you more? Your chest or your sinuses? Just comment chest or sinuses below. You should also remember that it's not instant magic, but it's noticeable. So keep going because consistency compounds. And that's what makes people stick with it. Now, if you're also managing your weight, it can feel uphill. There's a helpful angle that many overlook. And this challenge often grows after 40. Our bodies shift. What used to work changes. In the search for what works, one signal stands out. Something else that is worth attention. A calm, science-backed lever. You may have heard of it, GLP-1 support strategies. GLP-1 is a natural hormone that helps control appetite and fullness. Because of its effects, many use GLP-1 support to reduce cravings and aid metabolism. The idea isn't hype. It's helping the body's own signaling to do its job. It works with your body's natural systems, not against them. Here is how it fits your routine. It's not a magic fix, but when is paired with simple habits like this drink, it adds up. This works because systems connect: breathing, metabolism, and inflammation. Addressing appetite signaling supports the web, not just the scale. They work together, supporting appetite, energy, and overall balance. If you're curious, we've put together a calm, science-first guide. I put the full 7-day routine together for you. You'll find it in the pinned comment. For best results, drink this once in the morning and once again in the evening. Small habit is equal to steady return. Stay hydrated and reduce sugar. Consistency is what makes the difference. You'll feel the change as it builds. Not once, not occasionally, but daily. And once you feel the shift, you'll understand what your body needed all along, and give your body what it needs to clear itself naturally. I am not done yet if you're going to try this. Comment START below. And keep watching to find out how to continue this consistent routine. If you want the full routine that keeps your lungs and sinuses clear every day, check the guide below. It's concise and practical. If you found this video helpful, there's another video waiting now. It is about why your sinus congestion keeps coming back over 40. If you want more simple, practical tips like this, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Just a quick note. This is for educational purposes only. Always consult with a professional if you have any concerns.